Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, where the possibilities are endless. In this scene, we'll dive into the exciting concept of affiliate marketing and its incredible potential for beginners. Imagine earning passive income by simply promoting products or services and earning a commission. It's a dream come true. As we explore this captivating topic, we'll uncover the secrets behind successful affiliate marketing strategies. So, get ready to embark on a journey that will change your life. Together, we'll discover how you can leverage your skills and passion to generate income and create a thriving online business. Let's jump right in. Meet Sarah, a driven and ambitious young entrepreneur with big dreams in the world of affiliate marketing. Her determination and passion for learning are unmatched. Watch as she dives headfirst into this exciting journey. With every click, she uncovers new possibilities and explores the vast realm of opportunities. Witness Sarah as she immerses herself in extensive research, diligently seeking out the best affiliate marketing programs. Feel her excitement as she signs up and takes her first step towards turning her dreams into reality. Get ready to join Sarah on this inspiring adventure as she paves her own path to success. Introducing Jake, a seasoned affiliate marketer who has conquered remarkable heights in his career. With unparalleled expertise, Jake has achieved tremendous success in driving high-quality traffic and generating substantial income. His journey is nothing short of inspiring. As the story unfolds, we witness the powerful mentorship aspect as Jake takes Sarah under his wing, guiding her through the intricate paths of affiliate marketing. Watch their dynamic partnership bloom as Jake selflessly shares his knowledge and wisdom. Together, they embark on a transformative journey that promises to revolutionize Sarah's life. Get ready to witness the incredible transformation that unfolds before your eyes. In the scene of training and strategy development, witness Sarah's transformation as she attends intensive training sessions with Jake, her trusted mentor. Together, they explore a range of affiliate marketing techniques, from mastering the art of keyword research to crafting compelling content and unleashing the power of social media promotion. Feel the energy and excitement as Sarah absorbs invaluable knowledge and hones her skills. As the scene unfolds, immerse yourself in their brainstorming sessions where ideas flow and an effective marketing strategy takes shape. Get ready to witness Sarah's growth and the birth of a game-changing approach to affiliate marketing. From beginner to affiliate marketing pro, witness Sarah's remarkable journey of growth and success. As she implements the strategies she learned, Sarah starts to see tangible results. Feel the excitement as she generates sales and receives commission payments, marking her evolution into a true affiliate marketing powerhouse. This scene showcases the transformative power of determination and the right guidance. Through Sarah's story, we convey the message that anyone with the right effort and mentorship can achieve success in the world of affiliate marketing. Get ready to be inspired by Sarah's extraordinary transformation and believe in your own potential.